Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Code. It's provide the complete solution in your career. Today I have exciting job opportunities for you. All fresher candidates are eligible for these job opportunities. If you are passionate about full stack developer, looking to start your career as a software development engineer, I'm going to talk about the fantastic role at Salescode AI. Salescode AI is looking for a software engineer trainee to join their company in Gurugram. Okay, if you are fresher with 0 to 1 year of experience, this opportunity is for you. You should have background in computer science or IT. This is great opportunities for you. Let's dive into what software engineer trainee role. You will focus on full stack development, which means working on both front end and back end development. So this role is perfect for fresher. Let me discuss the educational details. You will need to have a graduation degree, ideally BTech in computer science or IT. You don't need to be an expert in development, but passion for software development and curiosity to learn new things. I will also explain the selection process in details for software engineer trainee role. For a software engineer trainee position, typically include few stages to evaluate a candidate's technical skill and problem solving. After submission of your application, the hire team will be review your resume to ensure it meet the basic qualification such as relevant education, skills, and any intensive or project experience in software development or not. This is important point for you. Kindly update your resume accordingly and highlight the technical skill and projects and any certification or course relevant to full stack development. Okay. Many companies use an online assessment to evaluate your logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and coding skill. So practice coding challenges on platform like HackerRank or LeetCode to get the comfortable with the common coding problem and logical test. After completion of online assessment, second round is technical interview. So first technical interview usually focus on coding skill, basic data structure, algorithms, and problem solving abilities. They might be also asked question about the project. Be prepared to solve coding problem live either on whiteboard or through the online platform. After completion of technical interview, next round is HR interview. This is final interview. The HR team may ask question about your interest and why you are interested in full stack development. If you successfully pass all the rounds, you will receive an offer letter with details of your role, salaries, and benefits. And thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel and share this video with anyone who might be interested in these amazing opportunities.